Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign up for Square account on PC. Square is a financial services platform developed by Block Incorporated. It is aimed at small and medium-sized businesses, allowing them to accept credit card payment and use phones or tablets as payment register for a point of sale system. Now, to learn how to sign up, you have to follow all the steps and stick till the end. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC. Now on the address bar, search for squareup.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be headed to the official homepage of Square. Now, in order to sign up for your Square account, tap on Get Started button at the top right of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be directed to the sign up page of Square. Now here you have to enter your email address and then confirm your email address, and once you're done with it, create a new password for your account. Then you have to choose your location by tapping on this box and then choosing one from the list. Once you're done with filling all the details correctly, tick this square box which says I agree to Square's terms, privacy policy and e-sign consent. Now tap on continue button. Once you tap on continue button, you will be taken to the next page. Now here you have to tell about your business. Now firstly you have to choose what kind of business are you. To choose, tap on this box and then a list will be pop up on your screen. Now choose the one that suits you. Once you make a selection, you will be asked what is your business name, your preferred phone number, estimated annual revenue, and it will also ask you if you have a mobile business, and then you will be asked to enter your address. Now fill all these boxes. Now once you're done with filling all the details correctly, tap on continue button at the top right of your screen, and then you will be taken to the next page where you will be asked what kind of business do you run. Now scroll a bit down and then select one from the list. Once you select one from them, tap on continue button, and then you will be headed to the next page where you will be asked where will you sell. Now you have to choose all that apply. Once you're done with picking up, tap on continue button, and then again you will be asked how will you take payments. Now you have to choose and then tap on continue button, and after that you will be asked what else can we help you to manage. Now you can choose or you can also skip this step for now, and then you will be headed this type of page where you will be asked get started for free or to use standard point of sale. Now choose one that suits you. Now your account has been created. Now you have to tap on next button, and here you go, you have successfully created your SquareUp account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.